Have you ever wanted to learn how to dance the hula? Follow me to my beautiful island of Hawaii and let's dance together. I've been teaching the hula for more than 35 years and have shared my knowledge of the hula with students from around the world. I'm going to show you beautiful movements that are natural and easy to follow, that bring excellent physical coordination, grace, and self-confidence. The hula is an exercise that enhances memory and self-expression and is a wonderful no-impact workout that will keep you fit. Best of all, it is an enjoyable dance that you can do just for the sheer joy of it. Come on, dare to dance. So, if you're ready to dance the hula, put on your grass skirt and get started.